People, what's going on? It's nice to have you back with us. Or if it's the first time, hello. How you doing? Today we're going to be checking out this Garvee Portable Air Conditioner slash dehumidifier. Shipping super efficient with this, no problem whatsoever with the packaging. Already got ahead of you and got it out of the box. So this is the unit as it arrived. Have a little bit of wrapping to take off of it yet. Also came with like these window sliders so you can vent the unit. Have a nice remote as well that came with this. Batteries for said remote. We've got some foam undoubtedly for the ventilation process and some screws probably for the same thing. And then we have this ventilation tube type situation as well. And our literature. So we have our instruction user manual, have something for an extended warranty, and then have some instructions for venting out a window. Here's a look at the top panel before we get it all assembled. So we have a high, low, auto function. We also have a timer. So we can run it cool, run just the fan or the humidifier, and then we also have a sleep mode. So lots of different options. That should help us out as well. There's a little warning sticker if you want to pause to read that at your convenience. Talks about the drainage if it gets too humid. There's for our 110. We got a reset button right on there as well, so yay. Okay, installing the window aspect of this. So what we're doing is we have the window slider here. We have that extended out until it's tight on both sides. We placed a strip of foam underneath it, and then we went and took one of those screws and put it in to keep that secure. Now we're going to put foam on the top and then close the window. All right, we used some thicker foam that was included around one side of our window, and we got that all sealed up pretty nice. Just rolled the air conditioner in here, and I can't believe it. These wheels like that they got on this thing, these are nice 360 wheels. Getting some good movement on here. It's easy to push, move from room to room. All right, so our exhaust tube here, our exhaust tube is just gonna slide in right there. We'll just lock in place, and then we'll just kind of extend this out and fit it in that hole right there. And voila, we are all connected up to our window for the ventilation. So I will say that Garvee does want you to install this window slider. They do want you to install this window slider with screws. So you're screwing it into the window frame. That way it's not going to move on you or anything when you're closing it in the window. So make sure to screw that down with the included screws that we showed you earlier. It's a nice looking unit, really. So after you get the window all done, get it all insulated, I think we can go ahead and turn it on now. We got it plugged in, got it vented, have that insulated around the window. Let's go ahead and do some power. Oh, it says stuff. Oh, look at that. That's opening right up like it's a transformer or something. Wow, that is kicking. This is like strong. So it says it's 73. It says 73 on there as well. Can we turn this? Oh yeah, so we're turning it down. It goes down on both the controller and the unit. How far down can we go? 64. It looks like 64 is our lowest. You know, let's just crank it out on 64. And our fan mode right here, let's go ahead and turn that. Okay, see, it went up on the unit itself, the indicator. So there's 1 fan level, 2 fan level, 3 fan levels. So 3 modes for the fan. We are on full mode, full bore mode. Let's go ahead and listen. You know, honestly, make some noise, but it's not the end of the world, really. It's not too bad. And again, that's on level 3, so let's go ahead and dial this down here. Let's bring it down to a level 1. So there, we got it on low. Oh yeah, it just kicked down. Let's go ahead and listen to this on low now. Okay, on low, I would equate this to like a air conditioner at a hotel room. So any of your typical hotels in the United States, this is what it sounds like turned on the AC. Pretty similar. It's feeling nice and cool already in this room. I mean, obviously I'm standing right in front of this, but I'm starting to feel the difference already. This is going to bring down the temperature in no time. All right, so some of the different modes you have on here, you turn it to DH, and then that's going to be a dehumidifier, so going to suck the water out of the air, bye-bye moisture. And go ahead and we click it over here, and it's just going to serve as a fan without the condenser or anything, so just blowing and moving some air. And then go ahead and click it again, and we're going to go into auto mode, and then that is going to run the air conditioning on it. And then you can click it again and go into either your low or high that you had set previously. Pretty cool. Nice intuitive features. And I love how you can see what's going on the remote and then on the unit itself. And on the unit, you actually have two different places where you can see what's going on. See, we have the air conditioning on, we have a level 1 fan on that, and we have it set for 64 degrees. All right. So this button right here is going to raise and lower like our cowl here on our fan to give us our different angle for our air to be coming out. Fun. So you think it's going to close, but it doesn't. And then you can also separate it so it just kind of goes up and down, so it just kind of like gives you a different breeze, if you will. So it kind of feels like a light breeze, and then it hits you, it feels heavier. So that's kind of fun. So we also have a timer button on here, and then we can switch it from Celsius to Fahrenheit for the reading. So right now we're on Fahrenheit, but we can go ahead and switch that to Celsius as well. And we also have a sleep function as well. So when you have it on the sleep mode, it's also going to kind of keep the fan on a level 1, and then it's going to optimize your experience. So it's going to be taking care of the humidity in the air and also making sure that your temperatures aren't fluctuating dramatically, so then it doesn't have to kick up into like the second or the third fan mode. So it's just going to keep everything nice and chill for you so you can sleep. Now you do also have a child lock mode, so you can lock out the remote. You just got to hold the up and down button together for the same time, at the same time rather, for 3 or more seconds, and then you can lock out the remote. All right, we are definitely getting down into the depths here with our Garvee AC unit. Make sure to go ahead and check out the link down below in both the comments and the description to pick up your own. I mean, I'm telling you, honestly, this is nice and intuitive, especially with the remote. Installation was easy enough. And the air that's coming out of this puppy, nice and cold. And it serves as a dehumidifier too. I mean, what the what? That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. I'm getting honestly cold. I'm getting cold right here in front of this. But till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye. Hey, leave down in the comments what you would use this for if you didn't have this at the house. Like, you could take this thing camping. That'd be crazy, right? Crazy cool. Ha ha ha. See what I did there?